Project was well done, especially given the compressed time of the summer semester. The program worked really well. I understand that there were teams working on different components of the project. I believe everybody did a good job. And many of you guys did not have enough background on these topics, so the summer semester was actually challenging to build up the skills necessary to complete the project. If the robot motions can be speed up, I think this will be an excellent demonstration tool to recruit students to engineering, to industrial manufacturing engineering program. I think you guys did a very good job. As far as expanding the project, maybe a similar project in chess playing or some other logic games where there will be some motion involved, some logic structure involved. That will be a very good extension of this project. Okay. Good job.
I was very impressed by students and their research project, term project out of this course, which is about industrial robotics. Even though it is offered in a very short term during summer session, and the scope of research project, term project was large, but these guys were good enough to come up with very well done project outcomes, which was very impressive to me. The project was very successful, so that they could integrate different components such as image processing, and programming using Visual Basic and robotics. All these different pieces together in a nice way, so that they came up with project title called Tic Tac Toe project, Robot Tic Tac Toe player, something like that. And with Dr. Karachal, who is Associate Dean of School of Engineering, I was able to see that whole demonstration went very well without any flaws so far. But we end up with a little bit of suggestion together with Dr. Karachal, such that we can make it more comprehensive, so that next version will be maybe a robot chess player, not just tic-tac-toe. But I have a lot of confidence with these guys. They can come up with a next version even without any problem too. So I'm looking forward to it.
The class has been very, very enlightening and very helpful, because you get to understand that your basic physics in school, your basic equations of motion, robot control does not veer far away from those basics. It's not rocket science, it's not something that is difficult to understand, it's just common sense. And Dr. Cho, who is the professor for the class, did a very good job at explaining very complex concepts in very simplistic manner. And I found our project very interesting, very insightful, and the best part was actually working with a team, because it was a multi-talented team with people with different talents, with different strengths, and of course different weaknesses. But we were able to put all our personal, should I say, strengths and weaknesses together to actualize the robot collaboration project.
Hey there. This project, which is the Tic Tac Toe playing robot, is perhaps the best project I've ever had in my career as a student. It not just gave me understanding of some of the complex concepts of robotics, but also gave me an opportunity to coordinate and work with students from different countries, which in fact was a very good experience for me personally. So for all you robotics aspirants out there who want to play with some real engineering toys, this is the place to be, the class of Industrial Robotics.
My overall experience with the project, I think the project went well. We got to integrate a lot of systems together as far as aerobics and the RV 140. We also got to use we had to integrate Vision Builder into the project. I think that was it was very neat how we integrated all the systems together, and very, very difficult and challenging as well. And I think that benefited me well as I go forward in my career.
Project was a very good learning experience for everyone in the team. For namesake, we were split into different teams, but we were in it together. Computer playing tic-tac-toe, nah. One word, robots. It just got real.
Do you dance like a